If we look at a worked example of an explosion, you've got two trolleys stuck together, one has an unknown mass, and then we've got them springing apart afterwards. Looking at the before the collision, then the total momentum is 0, that's straightforward enough. If we look at after the collision though, then we have the right hand trolley, the left hand trolley, we've taken the left to be positive in this example, moving at 4 meters per second, so it has a momentum of 8. The other one's moving at 2 meters per second to the right, so it's -2 in this example. I would generally find it easier just to stick with the right always being positive and the left always being negative. You would get the same answer at the end of this. But the thing is here, we don't know the mass, so we just have to leave that as m times -2 or -2m. Total momentum is conserved during the explosion, so 0 is equal to 8 minus 2m. Rearranging that gives you that m must be 4 kilograms.